students, welcome to I Love Math YouTube channel. Today we are going to see factorization, the new chapter, exercise 4.1. Before entering into the exercise, just we'll go to the introduction part and then we'll start with the exercise problems. Chapter 4, factorization. Okay. So the definition of this term factorization is the process of finding two or more expressions whose product is the given expression is called factorization. Or otherwise it can be said as factorization is the reverse process of multiplication. For example, see here, this is the factors. Okay, see the process of finding two or more expressions. So we have found two expressions for this question. So whose product is the given expression? So if we multiply this one, we will get the given expression. So this is what the factorization. Clear? Understand? See here. So for example, here the product. So here, factorization is the reverse process of multiplication. Okay. So this is identity also we can say like this. Otherwise, if we multiply these terms, first 2x with 2x and 2x with 5, then 5 with 2x and 5 with 5. After doing all the calculation part, we will be getting 4x square minus 2y. See here. So it is in the form a plus b into a minus b. So which is equal to a square minus b square. Right? Okay. So otherwise, if we multiply this two, also we will be getting 4x square minus 25. See here. Like this also if we multiply, you will be getting this finally. After all the calculations, you will be getting 4x square minus 25. Right? Okay. So the reverse process of multiplication. So we are getting this result and this will be the question factorization and this will be the solution after solving the term. So this is called the reverse process of multiplication which we call it as factorization. See here 4x square minus 25. So what we are going to do here, so we want to check it whether these two are square numbers. Whether these two are square numbers. Yes, here 4 is the square of 2 and 25 is the square of 5. Okay. So we are taking this 4 as 2, that is 2 square, and already x square is there. So commonly we are taking it as 2x the whole square and minus 25 can be written as 5 square. So this is in the form a square minus b square. Since a square minus b square can be written as a plus b into a minus b using the identity. Okay. So only we call it as this is a reverse process and whose product is the given expression. Okay. So this is called the factorization. This is the general basic form of the factorization, how it should be explained. Okay. Let us enter into the exercise 4.1. Let us enter into the exercise 4.1. The question number 1, that is 8xy cube plus 12x square y square. So what we are supposed to do here is we want to find the HCF. We want to find the HCF of the two terms. HCF of 8xy cube, 12xy square. Okay. So how to find this HCF? Let me tell you what to do here. So what is the, for 8 and 12, what is the common number? The greatest common number for 8 and 12 here is 4, we know very well. And next variable you have to check it. Here x, here x square. So the lowest power we want to take it in this two term. So the lowest power is x power 1. So that will be the common term here. Then y power 3, here y square. The lowest power here is y square. So this is what 4y square is HCF of the given expression. So what we are supposed to do in the next step, we have to divide each term by 4x square and we have to keep the 4x y square outside the bracket. Okay. So what we are going to do here is, we are going to take this HCF as a common factor for this one. Okay, common term 4xy square. Okay. So this is the first term, which is what 8xy square. We are going to divide that one, I have told you. So if we divide this 8xy cube by this with this term, what you will be getting, that is 2 x term is already there and here y square, here y power 3. So y will be left. Okay. Then next plus same 4xy square, here 12. So 4, here 12. So with what number if you multiply or divide, what we will be getting? 3. Okay, divide this 12x square y square by 4xy square. You will be getting 3. Then here x square, here x. So x will be there. Here y square, there also y square. So no y term there. So this is what the solution for this term. Right? So HCF we have to find it. Also in the variable, the lowest power only will be the common term. So what we are doing here, we are dividing each term by a common term and we are keeping that common term outside the bracket. So this is what the solution of this particular question. Same like this we are going to proceed for all the other sums. That is also very easy. So these steps will help you. This what is this now? So this under note, important note under, you want to write for all the sums, right? Okay, we'll move to the next second subdivision of this question number 1. Okay, here the question number 1, second subdivision. Here is the question. Here is 15a x cube minus 9a x square. Okay, what is the HCF? HCF of 15a x cube comma 9a x square. So we want to divide first. So what is it? We want to write it first. Which is what? Here 15 and 9, which is what? 3. A common. So both powers are same power. Here x cube, here x square. The lowest power only you want to take it, I said, which is what? X square. Okay. So what we want to do here is, we are going to divide each term by 3ax square and keep 3ax square outside the bracket. We are dividing each term by 3ax square, which we have taken common outside. Okay. So what I have told you, that I have been written here. That is what I have written here, right? Okay. If we divide this 15ax cube by 3ax square, what you will be getting? That is 5. Already a went. So x square here x cube. So x will be left. And here this 9ax square by 3ax square, if you divide means only 3 will be there. This is what the solution of this particular question. So here this is very easy exercise, which helps you to get score better mark, right? Same like that we are going to proceed for the next one. Here the question is 21py square minus 56py. Okay. So we want to write the HCF. The HCF of 21py square comma 56py, right? So both this both number you know very well. So the common number for this both number is, what is it? So here I forgot to write it, which is what? 3ax square. Okay. So 2156, which is what? 7. Here p, here also p. So the same p, same variable, same power. So we are writing here y square, here y. The lowest power only we are supposed to write it. I have told you this is what we want to write it, which we are going to take it common outside. Okay. The same content we are going to write for this also, which is what? Divide each term by 7py and keep 7py outside the bracket. Okay. Okay. So here what we are going to do here? So here we have taken 7py common outside. Okay. If we divide this 21py square by 7py, what we will be getting? So this is 7 times this 21, 3 times. Here the p power is same. So it will get cancelled. What is here? Y square y. So y will be left there. Then minus. Here 56 by 7, which is equal to 8. So p both powers are same. So y also both powers are same. So we are leaving as it is. It will get cancelled. So only 8 will left there. So this is what the solution for this expansion. Okay, I am telling you very slowly and clearly. If you don't understand, you can ask me again. So okay, this is the same procedure. Want to proceed for all the sums. Okay, let me do it for the next question. Here, what is we want to find the HCF, right? HCF of 4x cube and 6x square equals, which is what? 4 and 6. The common factor here is 2. X cube, x square only will be taking. Okay. So the same like that we want to write here. Divide each term by 2x square and keep 2x square outside the bracket and keep 2x square outside the bracket. Okay. So what we are going to do here? So we are going to take 2x square common outside. We divide this 4x cube by 2x square. What will be left here? 2x will be there because x square, x cube, x square went means then 1x will be there here. So 4 divided by 2 is 2. Then next 6 divided by 2 is 3. Then x square is already there. So both x square will get cancelled. This will be left. Okay. This is what the solution of this subdivision. Right? Okay. We will proceed with the next one. Here the question here is first question, 2 pi r square minus 4 pi r. We can use any variable here. It is not compulsory that x, y only want to use it. Even pi or alpha, beta, gamma, any variable can be used. So here they have used pi. Okay. So the HCF of 2 pi r square and 4 pi r here is, so 2 and 4, the common term is 2. So pi is common, so we are writing as it is. Okay. Then r square r, the lowest power is r, so we are writing r. Same like that, we are going to take 2 pi r as common outside. So proceed like this for all the sums. These, okay, we want to write this one for all the sums. Okay, 2 pi r if you take common outside, in this if you divide this by this, so what will be left? R will be left here. Here 4 pi r by 2 pi r, only 2 will be there. Right? So here also you want to divide each term by 2 pi r. Okay. This content you are supposed to write for all the sums. Okay. Let me just write this alone. So for all the sums, children, you all follow this method for all the sums. Okay. Next, we will proceed with the next one. Right. HCF of 18m and 16n. Here the variable are different. Numbers are 18 and 16. Okay. So number 18 and 16 common term here is 2. And m and n are different. So the HCF of both the term is 2 only. So which can be written as 2 bracket. So if you divide by 2, this will be 9m and then plus 16n by 2. If you divide that, we will be getting 8n. So no common term for this one, and this will be the final solution of this question. Okay. Next, we will proceed with question number 4. So here, the question number 4, the question is 25abc square minus 15a square b square c. Okay. HCF is HCF of 25abc square 15a square b square c equals, for 25 and 15, the common term here is 5. And a here, the lowest power, here a square, here a. The lowest power we want to use it, which is what a. Here b square, so the lowest power only b. C square, c, so lowest power c. Okay, how we will be getting the answer? So which is equal to 5abc bracket. Okay, if you divide this 25abc square by 5abc, what will be left? So for 25, if you divide by 5, it will be 5. And AB will get cancelled. C square c. So c will be left. Then minus 15 by 5, 3. A square by a. B square by b, b. C by c, cancel. Right? This is what the solution. Okay. The next one, very simple sum. Okay. Next question. 28p square q square r minus 42p q square r square. Okay. HCF of 28p square q square r, comma 42p q square r square equals, for 28 and 42. So what will be the common factor? Let me try, tell me. So 28, 42. What is it? 4 3s are 12, carry over 1. So 1 3 is 3 for 42. 14 2s are. So what can be taken as common number? 14 can be taken as common number. And here p square, here p. The lowest power you want to take it. And q square, both are same. So we can take that as common factor. Here r square, the lowest power we want to take it, which is what? R. Right? Excuse me. Okay. So here what we are going to do here is, which is equal to 14p q square r. We are writing this common outside. We are going to divide this 28p square q square r by 14p q square r. So divide first number, if you divide means 28 by 14 which is equal to 2. Then p square by p will be left. Q square by q square 1. So no need to write it. So r by r the same term 1 only. So no other term left here. So only 2p we will be writing here. Here 42 by 14 that is 3. Then p by p 1. Q square by q square 1. R square by r will be left here. So this is what the solution of this question. Okay. So we want to proceed for all the sums, that is divide each term by 14 p square q square and keep the 14 p square p q square r outside the bracket. Okay. For all the sums we want to write all those. Okay. Okay. Next subdivision. The question here is fifth one. 8x cube minus 6x square plus 10x. Okay. So for the previous sums under up to sum number 4, only 2 terms were there. Only 2 terms were there. But in this 3 terms are given here. So very simple. This 3 term which is common we want to take it and we want to write it. Okay. So for this 3 terms, what is the HCF of? Okay, the HCF of 8x cube, 6x square, 10x. First check with the number 8, 6, 10. So 8, 6, 10. The common factor here is 2. X cube, x square, x. I have already told for the previous sum, the lowest power only want to take it as common factor, which is what, x. Okay, we want to divide each term by 2x. Then what is the solution we are getting? That will be the result inside the bracket. How we are going to do here? Let me tell you. So 2x HCF and this 8x cube. First time we divide by 2x. 8x cube by 2x. First 8 by 2, 4. X cube by x, x square. Then minus here, so put minus 6 by 2, 3. X square by x, x. Then here plus sign. 10 by 2, 5. X by x, 1. So we have to write as it is. This is what we want to write it. And we want to check it whether this is in the form quadratic equation. Okay. So let us check how this can be written. Okay. Whether this can be factorized. 4 5s are 20. Okay. Here minus 3. Okay. So 20 means 10 to. So again this cannot be, we cannot do further, we cannot proceed this one. If it is a quadratic form, we have to further, there is possibility to factorize again, I am checking here. So 5 4s are 20, here minus 3. Okay, 20, this can be written in the form. Okay. So no possibility. So this is what the solution. We cannot further proceed. Right? So we want to check it then and then. Okay. So this itself is the solution for this particular question. Okay. We'll proceed with the next question, which is what? HCF. Okay. Sometimes there will be solution will be getting. So only I checked here. So no way. So no common term. We cannot proceed further. So this is the solution. For the next one, what is the HCF of 14mn 22m 62p? Okay. So here for this 2 terms, see here first we want to check with the number 14, 22, 62. Okay. So this will not be in 14 table or 7 table. So only 2 will be the common factor. First let us check. If another number we are getting means we can proceed afterwards. Then no variable common. In this 2 m common, but in the third term no m term. So here also n here no n term, and here p no p term, no other this. So here 2 only we are taking common outside. So what we are going to do here, which is what? 2 divided by 2, this 14 by 2 is 7, and mn we are writing, then plus 22 by 2 which is what? 11. So m we are writing, then minus 31 p. Okay, further we cannot do anything here. So because no term is common here, we cannot do even, we cannot proceed. So this is the final solution of this particular question, right? Okay. Thank you for watching this video. any doubts, you can ask me in the comment box. Please don't forget to share, like and subscribe.